Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage anxiety with BetterHelp easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage anxiety using BetterHelp, the first step is to visit the BetterHelp website. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to fill out a brief questionnaire. This questionnaire will help BetterHelp understand your needs and preferences. Provide information about your current feelings and experiences. Select the type of therapy you prefer. You can choose between text, video, or phone sessions. Next, specify your availability for therapy sessions. After that, review your answers to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your information, submit the questionnaire. BetterHelp will then match you with a licensed therapist based on your preferences. You will receive your therapist's profile with their background and specialties. Take your time to read through the therapist's information. When you're ready, initiate contact with your matched therapist. Schedule your first session at a time that works for you. During your session, openly discuss your feelings and experiences related to anxiety. Your therapist will provide support and coping strategies tailored to you. Be honest about your progress and challenges in subsequent sessions. Regular check-ins with your therapist are key to managing anxiety effectively. Keep track of your thoughts and feelings between sessions. Utilize any resources or exercises recommended by your therapist. Over time, you'll develop better coping strategies and understand your anxiety more deeply. Remember, reaching out for help is a strong step towards managing anxiety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.